In Finland, entrepreneurs have many responsibilities, but also enjoy certain freedoms compared to employees. First and foremost, you decide how much you work and for what price. You can take days off whenever you want, as long as you ensure your livelihood by saving for vacations. You have the freedom to develop and expand your business, acquire new clients, sell your products or services, and enhance your work with new ideas. You are responsible for timely reporting and paying of your business's taxes. You bear the financial risks of your business, such as potential bankruptcy or unemployment. Risks are managed through insurance, including mandatory entrepreneur's pension insurance, which secures your income in retirement and unexpected life situations. Additionally, entrepreneurs should consider insuring themselves against accidents and property damage. You must act responsibly, including covering any damages you may cause to clients. Liability insurance can assist you in this regard. You are obligated to maintain accurate financial records of your business's income and expenses, which is why UKKO.fi is the best solution for you.